Often referred to as the original elastomeric coatings, acrylic roof coatings are generally a popular choice for commercial roofs, and for good reason. But, there are some bad things that you have to consider. Join me as I go through the pros and the cons of acrylic roof coatings. Compared to other coatings, acrylic roof coatings are less expensive and just as durable. This means building owners can expect an acrylic roofing system to deliver long-lasting performance, reduced energy consumption, and decreased maintenance costs. This powerful combination of cost and performance is what makes acrylic coatings such a popular and sensible roof restoration solution. Acrylic roof coatings are highly reflective and UV resistant. These important qualities can save money by drastically reducing cooling costs during the hot summer months. Minimizing the sun's impact on the roof surface not only helps sustain lower energy costs as the system ages, but also cools internal building temperatures and extends service life. As a water-based substance, acrylics are easy to work with and install. This means an acrylic roof coating system can be installed in a timely manner without sacrificing quality workmanship and with minimal disruption to day-to-day business operations. Also, installation teams will rarely encounter complications with application equipment, making them more productive and efficient. Ponding water will negatively impact the performance of an acrylic roof coating. Ideally, these coatings should only be used on sloped metal roofs or roofs with adequate drainage. Installing an acrylic coating on a flat roof can be very problematic if the roof does not drain properly. Before installing an acrylic roofing system or product, it is important for building owners and managers to consult with a specialist to determine if the roof structure will encounter ponding water situations. Acrylic coatings are a water-based product and are more susceptible to freezing in colder temperatures. At the time of application, the outside temperature must be at least 50 degrees Fahrenheit and rising, for the coating to properly adhere to the roofing substrate. It's also worth mentioning that the dry time of an acrylic coating will slow down considerably if the temperature falls below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. As acrylic roofing systems age, they tend to lose mill thickness as a result of constant weathering and exposure to extreme environmental conditions. Before considering an acrylic product for your roof, ensure that it has undergone proper testing for specific roofing environments and applications. When it comes to the suitability and performance of a roof coating, it's important to understand the strengths and weaknesses of the chemistry. Overall, acrylic roof coatings are a highly effective roofing solution. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you in 2 weeks. Take care.